Alright guys, so it has been a long time coming. You guys know we're all about that camera control button. And today we finally have an updated case that we've been waiting for so long for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And we are taking a look at the Andar Aspen with camera control for that 16 Pro Max. Now, huge shout out to Andar for getting these over to me to review for you guys. The price on this case is $60 as far as I know. If anything changes, I'll leave an update in the video or down in the comment section below as a pinned comment. But for right now, it's gonna come in 3 different colors. It's gonna come in black, camel tan, and brown. Now I do have the black and the brown one, and let's go ahead and take a look at those. So starting off with the packaging, very classic Andar packaging. You just kind of pull this out, and here we have the brown version. So we'll just set the box over to the side. Now before we talk about the camera control button, let's go ahead and just weigh the two. We'll take the original one with the cutout here and let's weigh them. So start off with the original first. Put that on the scale, we're looking at 38 grams. And the one with that camera control button, we are looking at 39 grams. 1 gram difference, you're not gonna notice it at all. But for right now, let's bring over our natural titanium 16 Pro Max and we'll put it into the case. So let's listen out for that click. Solid click right there. Now just a quick rundown of the phone. Everything pretty much looks the same, but I have noticed that these buttons actually do click a little bit better. So let's listen to how those buttons sound. They feel really good. Honestly, they're even a little bit more responsive in my opinion than the original one right here. So let's listen to how these sound. Super nice clicky buttons. The buttons feel excellent. They are nice and protruded right here, so everything is fine. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the camera control button. Now, just to show you the inside, I'm gonna go ahead and bring over the black one here. What you're looking at right here is that contact area for your camera control button. Now, what these look to be copper pin contacts here, and the plate on it seems to be a glass contact plate right here. And this is what it's going to look like on the black one. Now, side by side with the brown one, the black one and the brown one both will have that black camera control button. But here's the thing about this camera control button before I show it to you guys. Now, when you put your Andar Aspen on, I thought this was going to be an issue, but I think this is a feature, and I did contact Andar about it. So basically what happens is when you put the Aspen on at first, it's gonna seem like the camera control button is unresponsive, but give it a second. So, and I'll demonstrate it here in the video. At first, all you're gonna be able to do is just click the button. Then once you start clicking it, you swipe it and it starts to swipe. And then after a couple of seconds, especially if you click the phone and, turn it off and open the camera again, not turn the whole phone off, but just, turn your screen off, open the camera again, that's when you'll start being able to use the half click. Now, Andar is saying that they think the iPhone is just trying to recalibrate to the case itself, but once it starts working, it works really well. Now, it doesn't take a long time at all. Before it deters you guys, it's really quick. Within a couple of seconds, 30, 45 seconds, everything works really well. And after that, it's a great camera control button. So let's actually see. Now, I did just put this on, so let's see how this is going to work right now. Well, it's been on there for a little bit and it's already working right here. So you guys can kind of get a little bit of a taste for the camera control button right there. So you just kind of give it a little bit of our test right there, our usual, just sensitivity test right there. Barely gliding it, and everything works just fine. Of course, we can go ahead, take our little picture here. There we go. And everything looks great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do this right on camera here. This thing fits really tight onto the iPhone. You do have to give it a little bit of elbow grease to get that off, but I love that because that means it's not going to pop off of the phone. So that's really good. But let's bring over the black one here and we'll turn this visual intelligence garbage off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and let's open the button. So first things first, as you guys can see, I can't get that half to click to work. Now I thought this was going to be an issue, but you give it a second, see? There you go. Now you're starting to get that swiping, and then it's not working. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click that again. Here we go. Take a little picture. Might have to turn it off again. Do it one more time. Now once it's on there, it is on there, but there you go. There's your half click, double click. Here we go. Do it again. There we go. Just like that. So everything is going to work just fine. Of course, we can go ahead and take this one, take our little picture. Everything looks good. It works. So open it one more time just for science. And let's see. So double click. There we go. We can swipe that. Click it again. and it works really well. So your phone is gonna take a little bit of time to get used to the case. And that's why the title of this video is I've never seen this before, because I really haven't. No other case does this, but as soon as this thing starts working, and like I said, it doesn't take long at all. You saw it live on here. Once it starts working though, it's really good. So I still have that case on here. Let's just test it out one more time. Why not, right? So let's go ahead, double click. Everything works just fine. Let's get back to our zoom. And here we go. It's a pretty good button. Now, this is gonna be about like 90% of the way as sensitive as something like the Apple silicone or something like the Apple Clear case, the Spigen, or the Banks Armor Air. It's gonna be like 90% there, but it's plenty enough. It works just fine, and I really enjoy the case, guys. I've been enjoying using it. Of course, the Aspen, I love the Aspen, you guys know that. And now that it finally doesn't have this massive cutout here, it's a really, really good case. And as you guys can see, just go ahead and take our picture. Everything works just fine. Now let's go ahead and put the black one, or the brown one I should say, back on here. As you guys can see, this thing has a tight fit on here. So we'll get that off. Let's go ahead and bring the brown one back over here. Put that on, and let's try that again. So let's see. There we go. As you guys can see right now, it's not doing it, but in a second, it's going to register. See, there you go. It starts, and what we'll do is we'll just close that, click it again, right? There we go. It's swiping. Give it a second. It just takes a second to re-register. You might have to close your phone again. Click that, and there we go. Double click. Here we go. Double click, and everything works just fine. You guys can see the sensitivity. Everything is pretty good on here. So again, give your phone a little bit, let it get used to it. As you see, I did it right there live on camera, and everything works just fine with it. And especially if you're not gonna take your Aspen off after, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes, you'll have no problems with it. You'll forget that that even happened. So let's check out the MagSafe, because that is one thing that I've noticed is a little bit stronger. So let's go ahead and bring over actually Andar's new kickback wallet. Now, they did send this over to me. So what's cool about this is I really like that it just attaches onto here, and it can be used as a kickstand in any direction. You can open it as much as you want, and it's gonna hold about 3 cards in here that Andar did send me this little card right here. So the kickback's actually really nice. So for somebody who likes to carry around like your ID or a credit card and maybe, I don't know, your Costco membership, something like that, you can put that all here, but you also have a stand for your phone that works really well when you need it. And of course you can even, if you want, this has magnetic connection here, so you can take like some cash, and I don't have any cash here with me, but let's find something, I don't know. Let's find, we'll take this. Let's pretend this is, your favorite dollar bill. Take that right there, and it's not gonna move around. So you can even clip some cash into there if you want to, and you will be just fine. So this kickback is actually really cool. If you wanna check it out, it is down in the description below. But as you guys can see, I mean, it's gonna take a little bit of effort in order to get that to move. Let's bring over a battery pack here. We'll attach that. There's gonna be no animation, but we do get charging. And on here, you can shake it. It's going to be good to go. And then, of course, we can bring over our Anker 623, pick that up, and for the most part, especially for a leather case, this MagSafe is pretty good. Now, let's just real quick, before we go back, try it on the original Aspen with the cutout, just so I can show you guys a little bit of the difference between the MagSafe right here. But I'm just going to switch over to the Anker 623, and it's not letting me do it as good as picking it up with the version with the camera control. So you're getting camera control button, improved regular buttons, and improved MagSafe on this case. So all around for $60, can I recommend the Andar Aspen with the camera control for your iPhone 16 Pro Max? Absolutely. Definitely go pick one of these up. Like I said, it's something I've never seen before, but as long as it works, at the end of the day, that's what we're looking for. And the Andar Aspen's camera control button, it works. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. I know it's a little bit different, but I would definitely say give it a chance, because I think you're gonna be pretty impressed. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you. And if you guys wanna see my original review of the Andar Aspen, where I cover everything, I'll leave that video right here. And if you wanna see another great case that also has camera control that I really love, I'll leave that video right here.